ladies, and welcome to today's Behind the Scenes. Today we are excited because we have a small but a mighty box that just landed from Cut Loose.
Welcome, lovelies. Well, some of your favorites are back and in many, many colors. So
we are excited, yes. But I just wanted to say, first of all, how lovely you look in navy.
thank you. Yes.
It is such a beautiful color on you.
It's such a chic color.
And I love how you paired it up with the gold and the mustard.
Isn't that
what
nice?
a striking combination.
And
Yeah, gorgeous.
gorgeous.
Ziska gold, ladies. We have the bangles in and the long drops. And then the moth, yeah, beautiful.
Beautiful. I love this. Yeah.
Moth, yeah, the
Summer. This smacks summer. Sunflowers.
yeah, gorgeous.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we brought back in this little cute high-low that you lovelies loved, and they sold out so quickly, so we brought it back in navy. And then we restocked the navy pants because, again, those sold out in that day. It was crazy. Hopefully you enjoy this lovely set on, Lousje, because I think it looks fabulous.
Yeah. I think it should go, you know where.
She's gonna take it away from you. So ladies, if you want an extra small, just bang on her door because it's gonna be up in the closet here.
By the way, yeah, I'm wearing an extra small.
Extra small pants, yeah.
Great fit.
And I chose the Ozion Q dress.
Yeah.
Oh, I love this dress. It's one of our favorite silhouettes from
Yeah.
Ozion Q, and I think this pattern is just fabulous.
This is all knit, right?
Yes,
Yeah,
it's all
knit.
viscose jersey,
Yeah.
so it's so super comfy and light. And then it's got a nice deep pocket
Yeah.
here. And how amazing does this pair up? And then I did the turquoise earrings
Oh,
from
yes.
Ziska as well.
Yeah.
And this is majestic, but you
Right.
can play with this necklace, and you can have it shorter or longer, but I like it long right in the middle. And then
Pretty.
a nice Siriglio.
Yeah, beautiful.
All right, are you
Okay,
ready?
let's
So
go
we
to
have
it.
2 surprises for you. So first surprise is we have restocked the crop wide-legged pants from Cut Loose, but we've added 2 new colors. So let me just dig out here. We have restocked the cashew,
Yes.
which we had, and again sold out very quickly.
How nice that is
Oh,
with
with
navy.
navy, gorgeous.
Oh my goodness.
You'll have to put that on together
Oh my
with
goodness.
that top.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Oh wow.
Yeah, and why we love these pants is the
Yeah.
elastic knit
Yeah.
band.
Beautiful
So
knit waist.
comfy.
Great leg, you know.
Yeah.
Nice big hem. I love this. The hem is about
The thick hem.
very thick and it's cropped for sure and wide, so lots of breezes
Yeah.
blowing through.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And cool.
And cool. So we have white. We also restocked.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah, and it's the weight of the linen. It's
not
you
so
know,
see-through.
That's yeah. It's definitely not a hanky linen. It's
No, it's a nice weight.
substantial.
Yeah, it is. So, and we have brought you 2 new colors in it just because black is such a staple.
For sure.
Yeah. So if you love these pants and own them in one of the other colors, we did bring it in black, which is
Right.
gorgeous. It's
Sorry,
just such an
Charlie.
easy pant too for the summer, hey?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Your staple pant, I would say white black.
Yes.
And then you can have a cashew or a gray or indigo blue or
Pepper in another
pepper in
color.
another color, right?
Yeah.
And keep on peppering.
Salt and pepper, Mom. Oh my God, okay. This is too hokey pokey here. All right, and then ladies, we did the cobblestone, which is one of our
Yeah.
fan favorites. You lovelies love the cobblestone. It's a classic, right?
Yeah.
It's beautiful. So our
Now.
next surprise for you, lovelies, we were sort of brainstorming about what styles in the past that we've done that you lovelies have loved, and I had few requests from some customers. And we have brought it back. It is a 1-size top. Can you guess what it is? It is linen. Well, it's linen and knit, right?
Yeah.
It's on the back. It is the,
Linen cotton knit.
yeah, and it has a little detail on the side and
Yeah.
a little detail on the band. And we brought it in, I believe, like 6 or 8 colors. Are you ready? The sequence top.
Oh yeah.
So this
Oh,
is
yeah.
a classic from
Yeah.
Cut Loose. It was not in the collection this year.
No.
But we special ordered it in for you lovelies.
Yes, we had it made for you.
So it's exclusive to Lousje Bean this summer.
Oh, look at this.
I
It's
know.
Gorgeous.
I know. So it's a 1-sizer and it's got
Show the
such
back.
a great
So
detail
cute.
at the back.
Yeah.
This is the knit.
Yeah.
So it's a blend of cotton and linen.
Yeah.
So nice and light. And then it's got the little pleat here.
Yeah. And
Got a little high-low.
I love the sleeves, how they fit so nicely right here.
Yeah.
Right? They give you a really nice cover here.
Yeah.
And the high-low.
Yeah.
And it's roomy, but because of the weight of the linen, it just falls.
It just
drapes.
falls, yeah.
Beautiful.
And I mean, they say one size, and we always apologize for this with this one size tag,
Well,
but I guess it's a free size fitting a size 2 to an 18.
yeah.
And we picked, so I mean, imagine with these pants, that's why we added a few extra colors
Yeah.
to complement these guys.
This
so,
with the gray,
Oh, yeah,
with the
beautiful.
white and the black.
yeah,
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You should do a style video tomorrow.
I can't wait.
Style them up for the
I
lovelies.
will.
All right, ready for color number 2?
Yeah.
One of your favorites.
Oh, yeah.
Pink.
Yeah. Beautiful.
Light.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
You know, I've said this so many times, on older skin, these pastel colors are so
Gorgeous.
exquisite.
Yeah.
Right? And look at the
The subtleness.
Yeah.
We don't love bling bling,
No,
but this is so
beautifully
subtle.
classy done.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is gorgeous. Tessa.
Gorgeous.
This with the blue pant.
Yeah.
Look, with this blue.
Oh
Oh,
my God. Yeah.
With the white, with the black.
With-
like,
yeah.
Endless.
Yeah.
Endless.
Yeah, so the ones Lousje's wearing are the lantern pants. So they're different from the ones
That's
that
right.
we just restocked.
But we do have them in stock.
And then of course classic navy ladies.
Yeah.
Gorgeous. Imagine with the white pants.
Oh,
Stunning.
stunning.
And look at this, how this shows,
Yeah.
right? You can see the detail a bit
Yeah,
more.
they did this so nicely, right? Where
Yeah.
they picked these sequins in a little offsetting color of the top.
Yeah, but over the years, this top has popped in and out of collections and spring summer collections, and it's always been a bestseller, and it fits great, and it's so easy to add to your wardrobe. Great for travel too,
Yes.
because you got that
Totally.
little bit, look at this. This is Amalfi blue.
Oh, is that what they call it?
Yeah,
Oh my
and
goodness.
isn't that gorgeous?
That is beautiful
I know.
too. With
It's
white,
really
pair of
beautiful.
pants,
Yeah,
black. Beautiful.
beautiful. And then this baby blue, I feel like these two colors are one of
Yeah.
Lousje's favorites.
Yeah, and the
Look
oatmeal.
at and the oatmeal, yeah.
Yeah.
But you're always
Drawn
pushing
to
for
it.
these colors.
Yeah.
But how beautiful
Look
for the
at
summer.
this. Oh
it's
my
almost like a
goodness.
white, hey? It's like a baby blue.
Oh, it's absolutely.
And then
lovely.
imagine it with white. I keep
White.
saying the white pants. I
Yeah,
feel like
well, because it's summer, right?
Yeah.
But they would go with the blue, the navy blue.
yeah.
Look,
Oh,
beautiful.
yeah. Gorgeous.
Black,
Gorgeous.
beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. This is going to be a favorite.
Oh yes.
I know.
What would you call that?
Well, this is it's called fava.
Fafa bean.
Yeah. So we had
That's why.
We had this early in the season in that one size.
That color.
Yeah, and that linen top, and it sold out
Yeah.
in 2 seconds. So we thought that this would be, look at how gorgeous. It's beautiful.
This with the cashew,
Yeah.
with the white, with the black, with the navy. Look.
Yeah, navy and fava.
Oh,
beautiful.
Mama, yeah.
Oh,
Oh, my
yeah.
goodness.
So ladies, I heard you heard about Charlie's injury.
Yes, we talked about
Oh, he's so sweet.
it. Yeah, he's convalescing.
Oh.
But he's getting a little too quirky because he's jumping up and down off all kinds of high things, and then
And he's like
yeah.
re-injuring himself
Yeah.
or not getting
Well,
better?
it's just like us when we sprain a limb. We need to lay low, right? We need to be quiet. So
Look
look at him. Oh my God, he's getting a little too comfortable. But his medication is keeping him a little drowsy, so which is
yeah,
good.
yeah.
Inflammation and everything.
All right, one more color.
Oh!
And this has been a great color this season.
Yeah,
And this is the cashew.
yeah.
So ladies, if you already own the cashew pants,
Look at the cashew with the
Monochromatic.
navy.
yes.
Gorgeous.
Gorgeous, yeah.
With white.
With white.
With the cashew.
Yes, you have to style that tomorrow.
will.
All one.
That's my
You-
favorite
that would
look.
be your favorite look.
Yeah.
Yeah. I was gonna say you would rock that for
With
sure.
black too, eh? Very look with black.
Very, yeah. Yeah.
And then it's such a beautiful palette too for a scarf or a necklace, right? A bold necklace, because it's a blank palette, right?
Yeah.
The design of it.
Yeah. So ladies, we hope you enjoyed this little, like I said, small but mighty unboxing. I'm so
Yeah.
happy that we
1,
chose
2,
so many
3,
beautiful
4,
colors. How do you
6, 7.
7? Yeah, how do you choose?
7.
And
you
watch
you
out.
know how you choose. You choose a few.
You're so funny. Just like you, they're all going up to her closet, ladies. So if they're sold out, we just gotta knock on her door. I will share her address with everybody. All right, well, watch tomorrow because I feel like she's gonna style these up lovely. And ladies, oh my goodness, this Friday, we are reopening the boutique. We cannot wait. It is,
The day
excitement
is
is
here,
in the
almost
air.
here.
It is like you have no idea how excited we are.
It's like Christmas.
Every time a customer comes to pick up an order, they're like, how are the renos going? And I'm just gushing. I'm like, you have no idea.
You worked so hard. She's worked so hard.
Well, it's
You
so great.
have, and Colleen has been unbelievable.
Amazing. And our contractor is the best.
Yes.
He is a gem. We just can't say no more. I mean, you think when we have told everybody a month ago that we were closing, you think, oh yeah, you think you're going to open in a month? But hey, we are on it.
Yeah.
And we are one day off our sign. Our sign said estimate July 4th.
Yeah.
And we are doing it July 5th.
Yeah, it's great.
So watch out. Me and Lousje are going to do a live on Friday morning at 9:30. So if you are afar, ladies, tune into YouTube. Go to our YouTube channel and we will have a live going at 9:30. And you can see the unveiling with Lousje. It'll be fun because we have lots of surprises in store and it is a changed place. It really is.
It is.
Yeah. But
and then, of course, we have the open house for all you lovelies who live close or
and
far.
you can come and
like
get
to
a
come.
tour.
And we have goodies and refreshments. It's going to be a party.
Yeah.
A happening.
Lovely day.
Okay.
Yeah. All right, ladies. Well, hit a thumbs up if you like this video. And as always, please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't yet.
Keep on smiling.